guys, what's going on? It's your girl, Missnaturalshay, and today I have for you another cash stuffing envelope video. I got that cash for the video. I got that cash for the video. Hey, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. I got that cash for the video. I got that cash for the video. Hey, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. So guys, can you let me know down in the comments if you like the song? If you don't, I don't have to sing it. I just wanted to bring a little bit of entertainment in here. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start with getting some lotion with this True Blue Spa Shea Butter Vanilla Almond Super Rich Body Cream. I love this, y'all. It works so good on your body. I'm telling you. I got it from Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale. So yeah, so that's the lotion of the day. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of costume jewelry on so I can look a little bit more presentable with these hands. All right, let's get into these envelopes. So if you are a new person viewing this video, I do my cash envelope videos on every Friday, and I go ahead and I have my cash envelopes right here, and we go ahead and empty them into my extra money container, and then I'll go ahead and start stuffing the new week with my money. So we're gonna go ahead and start with my extra money jar right here. And as you can see, I have some coins in here. And as of last week, I had $32.10 right here on the 15th. And today is the 22nd. We're going to go ahead and open up. Let me just put this to the side. We're going to go ahead and open up my envelopes and see what I saved for this week. So, of course, in my child care, I have $0. In my me time, another one, $0. I emptied out all the money. For my gas, I did have a little bit in here. I have $1.60. For my groceries, I have $5, $10, $11, and 25 cents. So let me write this down, guys. I didn't even write it down. Let's go ahead and write it down. And then I'll go ahead and put it in there. So I have $1.60. Oh my goodness, this pen is not working right. Let me get another pen because I hate for that to happen. Okay, I'm gonna go with pink. So I got $1.60 from my gas, and then I have $11.25 from my groceries. And then household, I have $6.50 from that. So let's see how much I have. Since I don't have my phone because I'm recording on it, I'm gonna go ahead and tally this up. So I have 5, that's 11, 12, 13, 14, carry the 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, carry the 1, 50, what? $51.45. And that is for the 22nd. And y'all, I do apologize that my camera is shaking. It's because of my tripod, or my selfie stick. Also, if y'all want to see where I got my selfie stick, I will be doing a Amazon favorites haul, and that will be coming up soon. Where did this dime come from? Okay, the 60 cent. Okay, never mind. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and empty my coins right into my jar. And yes, guys, I will be having an Amazon favorites haul. It will be coming up next week. So if you guys are subscribed, make sure you got your notification bell on so that you can see when I do my next video. All right, so anyway, I can't believe it, $51.45. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my jar, so that'll be out the way. And now we're gonna go ahead and stuff these envelopes. So if you've never done it before, it's good to take something like this, which I actually laminated. It's just a piece of paper, and I go ahead and put my denominations, how many I need, and then I go ahead and put it out. 3 $20 bills is $60, 8 $10 bills is $80, 7 $5 bills is $35, and 10 ones is $10 to equal up to $185 that I need to take out of my bank account for my cash envelopes that I use every week. I'm hoping that you guys can see all of this. If not, I'm gonna go ahead and put the ones right there, just in case if y'all can't see the whole spread. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and write down what I need it for, and I'm gonna start with groceries. Let me take this off of here, because oh my gosh. Okay, groceries is gonna be $50, and then I have me time, which is $20, and then I have childcare, which is $75, and then I have groceries, me time, childcare. Then I have gas for my vehicle, which is $30, and I have household items, which is $10. So we're gonna go ahead and stuff my envelopes. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with the household items, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put, matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and put the 10 ones in there. The 10 ones, yeah. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And my household item envelope. And then next I have groceries, and I'm gonna go ahead and do 5. I'm gonna do 4 10s and 2 5s. So that would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. And that's for my groceries. And then I have gas, and I'll go ahead and do 2 20s and 2 5s, which is 10, 20, 25, and 30. If I have any new subscribers, please comment down below. Comment with a heart, and that'll let me know that you have subscribed. Then I have me time, and that is $20, and I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 5s and a 10, 10, 15, 20. And then last but not least, my childcare envelope, and that is $75. 20, 40, 60, 70, and 75. And then of course I have to put in my wallet, my Betsy Johnson. This is my favorite wallet, guys, because it holds all of my cash envelopes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on this side, and I'm zipping it up because we have come to the end of this video. I do apologize yet again for the quality. Well, really not for the quality, because iPhone 11 does have a great camera, but because of the shaking and everything from my tripod and my stand, that's what I'm apologizing for. And I will have my regular camera it'll be back on the next cash envelope stuffing video, which will appear every Friday. So guys, I thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Give me a big thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next video. I love you guys for watching. Peace.